What's up? My name is Darren Wong and I represent the Kinjas, and welcome to my beginner hip hop dance class where I teach you all the basic moves, grooves, and concepts you need to know in order to freestyle or learn hip hop choreography. In today's basic hip hop dance series combo episode, we're going to be adding our third A count to our combination. Before we jump into the tutorial, if you want to take your dance skills to the next level and have private lessons with myself, go ahead and click that link in the description box and apply today so we can work together. All right, so in today's episode, we will be using episodes 1 and 3. So if you haven't checked those out yet, be sure to check those out before coming to this one. All right, so let's kick off this episode with the last few A counts of our second A count. So from here, we're going in, out, down, in, out, down. Now from here, all I'm gonna do, just footwork wise, no groove yet, I'm gonna go step, twist. Okay, so from here, I'm gonna go step to the front, almost like a reset. Then I'm gonna use my heel to twist back. Okay, so try that again. So my foot is up, I'm going step, then I'm stepping back. Okay, so from here, I'm gonna do almost like a para beret. So I'm gonna go right, left, right, and I'm gonna lift up my left. Okay, so with my right, I'm going right down, twist my left, down, right, left, pick up. Okay, let's try that again. So starting with my right. So 6, 7, 8. I'm going right, then twist, right, left, right. Very good. So from here, since we just did a down groove, my right foot will be my reset. As I do this heel twist, I want to add that little down groove to it. Down groove. And then from here, it's almost like I'm walking over here, right, left, up. So no groove for that one, but just letting your footwork kind of take over, right, left, up. And I am doing like a slight little lean if you want to put like a little bit more style to it, almost like I'm leaning towards it, right? It's almost like I'm dodging something here, right, left, up. Okay, so just add those little techniques to it. So from here, I'm going stay up, go down, lean, and up. One time, 6, 7, 8, and up, down, lean, and very good. So we're gonna repeat the same thing just because I'm all about repeating, especially as beginners, just to drill stuff in. So just footwork, I'm going step. Now my right heel is gonna twist out, out. Footwork wise, I'm going left, right, left. Okay, so for that one, we'll keep our foot on the ground. Okay, so for this one, left leg is up. Step to the front, step back, twist my heel, back, left, right, left. So one more time. So 6, 7, 8, goes left, back, left, right, left. Okay, so now we want to add the little techniques to it. Okay, so since we just did over here, I want to go stay up. From here, I want to do a down groove, down groove. From here, I'm just going to lean to my left, left, right, left. Okay, let's try it again. So 6, 7, 8. I'm going step, down groove, left, right, left. Okay, so let's try to put those both together. So for starting with the right, so 6, 7, 8. This goes right, back, right, left, up, left, back, left, right, stay. Okay, so let's try it again. So 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right, so let's try that again. I'll face the back so you can get a different angle. Here we go. So 6, 7, 8. I'm going right, back, right, left, up, left, back, left, right, stay. So one more time. So 6, 7, 8. This goes 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right, so let's try to put this together from the second 8 count. So here we go. So 6, 7, 8. I'm going down, up, in, out, down, in, new 8 count, and step, back, 3 and 4, step, back, 7 and 8. Very good. Okay, so we'll try to take it from the top. Again, if that was a little bit confusing, take it back to the second 8 count, drill that a couple times, and then come back to this one. Okay, so coming from the top. So 6, 7, 8. I'm going right, left, hop, right, left, right to the front, and right, down, left, down, in, out, down, in, new 8 count, and step, back, right, left, right, step, back, left, right, left. All right, so let's take it from the top again. I'll turn around so you can get a different angle. Here we go. So 5, 6, right leg first, and right, left, right, left, hop, right, left, right to the front and right, down, left, down, in, out, down, in, new 8 count and right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Alright, so before we jump into the music, go ahead and do me a favor, like this video, also subscribe to my channel right now, and also hit the bell so you're always notified when I drop tutorials just like this. Alright, so key takeaways with this one, it's a little bit tricky, so you want to make sure you're almost like ricocheting off walls to get the other side. So it's almost like you want to start going to your right, but you fall back, and then you finally go to your right. Second one, again, falling to your left, but fall back, then start going to your left. And again, that little fast forward, you just want to think in front, behind, up, or in front, behind, down. Second takeaway is, again, when you're combining the 8 counts, make sure you have your basic 8 counts down first before trying to combine them together, right? So if you haven't mastered your first 8 count from episode 1 or your second 8 count from episode 3, make sure you go back, practice them, drill them in, because that's really where you're gonna get really good at those 8 counts, and then the challenge is just combining them together. So again, practice your basic 8 counts first, then combine them together. Alright, so I'd love to see you practicing and training this movement, so go ahead and post up a video, make sure you tag it at Darren R. Wong, and I'll be sure to give you props, shoutouts, and good things like that. Alright, so again, make sure you like this video, subscribe if you haven't yet, and also leave a comment below, tell me what you liked about it, what you learned from it, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace!